Welcome, foodies and fellow flavor fanatics. Today, we embark on a delicious journey around the world, one bite at a time. Get ready for the Guess That Food Challenge, where your knowledge of global cuisine will be tested, and possibly mocked, in the most loving way. Rules: I'll show you a close-up image of a mystery food from somewhere on this beautiful planet. You have 10 seconds to unleash your inner culinary detective and guess the dish in the chat. Be warned, some of these foods may look a little unusual. But hey, that's the beauty of exploring different cultures. Right, wrong answers are not only accepted, they're encouraged. The more outrageous the guess, the more laughter we all share. Ready? Let's get quizzing. 1. Fancy French pastry with layers and cream. This looks like something you'd find guarding a dragon's hoard. What is it? Three. Is this a miniature city built out of candy? Nope, it's lunch. Four. This dish looks like it could power a spaceship. What is it? Five. Don't be fooled by the suspicious appearance, it's actually quite tasty. Six. Is this alien jello or a lost artifact from the Smurfs village? Seven. This breakfast looks like it could feed a small army. What is this culinary beast? 8. Don't worry, this isn't a science experiment gone wrong. It's a delicious street food. 9. This colorful explosion could be a work of art or lunch. What is it? 10. Brace yourselves, folks. This next one might clear the room. 11. This long, fish-shaped pastry is a popular Japanese street food filled with sweet bean paste. What's its name? 12. This little guy looks like a fluffy cloud of deliciousness. What is it? 13. Forget everything you thought you knew about soup. This one is a beautiful twist. 14. This dish looks like a culinary tower of terror, but in the best way possible. 15. This dish looks like it could warm you up on the coldest day. What is it? 'Well, folks, that's all the time we have for today's culinary challenge. Huge thanks to everyone who participated. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and delicious quizzes coming your way. Until next time, keep exploring the world, one delicious bite at a time.